everyone, if you're looking for a different way how to prepare and serve the chicken, you are in the right place. Let's see how to prepare it. And don't forget to subscribe.
For this recipe you will need 2 chicken breasts and a really sharp knife. Make an incision in the half of the inside part of the breast. Wait, not like this. What are you doing? Let's start over. To prepare the roulade, remove the fillet from the chicken breast. Make an incision in the half of the inside part of the breast and continue slicing the sides to unfold them. From the fillets, remove the white filaments. Cover your work surface with cling film and place the breasts and the fillets on top of it. With a kitchen hammer, flat them until thin and... No, sorry. Not that one. With a meat tenderizer, flat them until thin and wide in sides, without tearing the meat. Season it with black pepper, salt and olive oil. I use the Sangre tomato flavored oil. Spread the cooked spinach and place the Sangre tomatoes in a line near the long edge. Now, with the help of the cling film, roll it into a tube. And wrap it once more with a kitchen foil, as tight as you can. Put it into a boiling water, making sure that it's covered all the time with some liquid. You can use a big pot instead, or cook in the oven at 180 degrees. After 25 minutes, it should be ready. To check it, unwrap it and squeeze gently with your fingers. If the middle looks too soft, wrap it again and cook it some more. When it looks firm, it's ready for the next step. Unwrap it and dry it out with a paper towel. Now it's time to give our pale friend some color. Roll it on a hot fry pan until all sides are nice and gold. Then plate it as you prefer. Enjoy your meal! Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.